Hi friends, Melissa here. It's BOGO week. I'm in the BOGO group and I'm excited to share with you Canadian BOGOs. Now, some of you are like, there's two different types of BOGOs. Yep, there's a Canadian BOGO and a US BOGO, and I'm going to make something with the Canadian BOGOs right now. So I have empty container. I've put a little bit of water in there and I just want to show you. Make sure if you come on live, say hi. Just want to show you a quick DIY. So I filled it up with a little bit of water. I'm taking a toner. So this is pore reducing toner. It's lovely. I'm just going to add like a little bit in there. I'm going to take, a couple drops of spearmint. So spearmint is part of the BOGOs. Oh, I love the smell. If you love mint, you're going to love this. 4, 5. Okay, 5 drops. I'm actually just going to put 2 of Japanese peppermint. Now, the spearmint's actually so wicked cool that you can take it internally. You can add it to a tea. You could add it to a smoothie. I mean, how much? Oh, this is, there it goes. This I might actually want to use. Sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing here. You might want to use like a different dropper container, but I'm going to use this anyway. So I put like maybe about a drop in, maybe 2. I can't wait for my new Japanese peppermint. This one's a little bit older. It's running out. Not expired though, because it's one of my favorites. So I'm putting it in here with the water and a little bit of the toner. I'm going to shake it up. And these, by the way, are awesome. You can get these cheap. Lots of little dollar stores. And I'm just going to spritz. Oh, okay. That just wakes you up. And it smells so good. Minty goodness. And it's not too strong, so it's not like overwhelming like my skin or anything. It's just a light, cool feeling. Actually, I can go to the neck. I didn't get it in my eyes. But say if you're having like a hot day, you need something to cool you down and something that's actually good for your skin. This. Just make yourself, that feels really good on the back of the neck, by the way. A little bit of spearmint, a little bit of Japanese peppermint, or put a combo, good skin support, or just like safe, right? Safe for your skin support. You can do that. Now there's one more I want to make. This one, I'm just going to do a quick one. So this is not tea tree in here right now. It was tea tree, but I filled it with water. Now I could use an emulsifier like pore reducing toner that I've got, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use a little bit because I want this to be like a little carry with you bed spray, and I'll show you because I do a lot of traveling. This is good. So I'm going to, with probably 3/4 water, I'm going to just put like a splash. There we go. A splash of rubbing alcohol in. So that helps to keep the oils dispersed in the water. And then the other BOGO, and by the way, the peppermint on the back of my neck still feels really, really good with that little spearmint nugget in there. Okay, I'm going to take 3 drops of tea tree. 1, 2, 3, actually 4, 5, because I'm traveling. And I'm going to put 2, 3, maybe 3 drops lavender. 1, 2, 3. And the tea tree lavender is a BOGO as well. And this is like a BOGO you use daily, like lavender. Oh my goodness. Oh, I could have actually done that with pore reducing toner and made like a skin care one. Well, that'd be smart with the peppermint, lavender, and tea tree for after sun. Okay, but this could be a travel. I'm going to go lay in this bed. So if you're traveling, going to bed, and then you can just spray this. We'll spray it on me. Very clean smelling. So poop all over the, that's nice too. I love tea tree. On the pillows, on the bed, let it sit. And then you're using, right, an all natural product to help keep anything that was there before at bay. So if you're big into traveling, you could just make a quick one. And if you're wondering, okay, where are you getting the toppers, Melissa? Well, just grab something like this. This probably was Amazon, and it's all these little toppers, and it's fantastic. You just do that, and you can upcycle all your oils. Anyway, BOGOs, friends, lavender, tea tree, spearmint, Japanese peppermint. If you have an account with me, or I should say, if you have your own account, grab it. If you don't have an account, you can check in with me or the person that you know that does have an account. And renewal, by the way, friends, there's no fee. So that means you're like, oh, I can just order again. Yeah, you can just order again. You won't be charged. Anyway, happy BOGO. Bye.